Punta na kami sa school. Kay unjang hapon daw ang ang program, closing program para mapuwi kami mga 3 p.m. Narinabit na buang na. A gift for...
You can choose one you like.
Wow! She wrote. Okay, this one. Oh, thank you so much.
Sheena, let's take a picture with her.
We take photo now.
Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the hugs, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away.
Teacher Tai! Good morning, Teacher Nat! Good morning, Teacher Shell! Say good morning. Good morning. Teacher Juan! Good morning, Teacher Thor! Good morning, Teacher Ika! Good morning! Yay!
Can you Indian man Indian Indian
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, thank you. Bye bye, baby. What? Oi? Oi? What's that? What's inside? What's inside? What's inside? Wow! Thank you! It's a bag! Wow!
Thank you so much.
Ika!
Yeah.
Chill! Nika! Oh yeah, Teacher Nika. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no crying! No crying! Hug, hug, hug. Thank you. Thank you. No crying! No crying. We see each other soon, okay? No crying, okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's okay. Oh. Nice meeting you, Teacher Nat. No crying. No crying. No crying. Kainit. Uy, ang ganda. Thank you so much. Uy! No crying! No crying! No, no, no crying. No. Lipstick. Say thank you. Thank you! Thank you, Teacher Nat! Ang sa pikas. Ang sa pikas. Angan. Embroidered name. Thank you. Thank you. Push and twirl 3 times. Kabana! Kabana! Babu! First time, food na. Ha? 2.5. Bye! I'm driving the motorcycle of teacher Nat. Yes. We go to the apartment because we are going to change our clothes. We are the champion! What champion? We are the champion. Ay! Ay! Naka 0.5 yan. Wow. Hello, good afternoon.
Rachel, that is hi. We have Miss Erica standing for
Hello, yay.
and also Counselor for the Marriage School, the host school. We have the school director. We have Mr. Shirawan Fu. Attorney Rana Diaz de la Peña, the school president. And of course, we have Dr. Phil de la Nita, the vice president of academic affairs. And also with her is her husband, Mr. Dortinito Canta, from the registrar office. And another, the last one, we have Mr. Jovical de la Pina, the husband also of Attorney de la Pina. Okay, once again. And
Oh, no sound.
Completing your practicum job. Hello, teacher Ika and teacher Sheo. Congratulations on successfully completing your practicum journey. Your dedication and passion for learning have truly been inspiring. Throughout this experience, may the knowledge and skill you guide during your internship guide your tour, give the opportunities and success in the future. Wishing you both all the best in your future. Anyway, bye bye.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for spending your internship with us, especially to teacher Ika for helping and covering my class during the summer camp for 1 month. Your creativity, patience, understanding, and positive energy brought so much joy and life into our classroom. Seeing your passion and eagerness to learn reminds me that you will become an amazing teacher one day. Yes. Thank you for sharing your time, effort, and heart with our students. Watching you grow during your internship has made us proud, and it has been an honor to witness part of your journey. As you move forward to prepare for your graduation, always believe in yourself and the difference you can make in the lives of others. Congratulations, our future LPT!
Yay!
To all the interns, I would like to say thank you so much for your dedication, support, and your patience during your time with us. I hope that this experience will help you grow personally and professionally. Always believe in yourself and never stop striving for success. Thank you so much once again, and live your dreams.
Hello! Good afternoon, everyone, especially to my dear student intern, teacher Rachel. Thank you for your hard work, patience, and dedication during your internship. Your passion for teaching and willingness to learn have made a positive difference in the classroom. Your kindness, creativity, and commitment to students did not go unnoticed. As you continue your journey as an educator, always believe in yourself and the impact you can make in the lives of your future students. Teaching is not only about sharing knowledge, but also about inspiring hearts and building confidence in your minds. Keep learning, keep growing, and never stop chasing your dreams. The future is bright for you, and I know you will become an amazing teacher someday. Thank you for being part of our classroom refinement. We are proud of you and wish you success, happiness, and fulfillment in your teaching career. Best wishes to our future LPD. You can do it.
Yay! Pohon. Oy.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi everyone, I am Teacher Tai.
Mhm.
Feeling for Teacher Ika. I was happy to be a mentor teacher for Teacher Ika. She was hardworking, confident, and full of energy. She loved children and always make her class fun and active. The students enjoy learning with her. She helped me practice English and correct some words that I pronounce wrong.
Yes.
I thank you for her kindness and support. Thank you for your hard work and positive energy. I'm proud of you and wish you success as a teacher.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you, teacher. Opo, kumuti.
For completing your practical journey. Bromley Foundation College, in grateful recognition of your steadfast commitment and valued partnership as the sending institution of the International Teaching Internship Program, your trust, collaboration, and dedication in preparing and guiding your student interns have greatly contributed to the success of this international academic exchange and the professional growth of future educators. Given this 15th of May 2026 and signed by
Apple me? Apple me, apple. Sabak. Ngayon ka apple. Sila ba si sir? Uy, apple sir.
understanding, care, patience, and dedication in fostering a safe, nurturing, and supportive environment for young learners throughout the
Mommy!
internship program. Awarded on 15th of May 2026 at Saraswati Private School. Okay, you can get your certificate now. And
Hey!
stand in front and wait for the office.
Yay!
You were given Outstanding Teaching Resource Award in recognition of your community effort and excellence in developing effective and engaging instructional materials that enrich the teaching and learning experience throughout the International Teaching Internship Program, awarded on the 15th of May 2026 at Saraswati Private School. Okay, congratulations. We have Miss Nika Flor Escandal. Miss Nika Flor were given Inspirational Educator Award and Most Innovative Teaching Award.
I'll see you in the Philippines! What is it called? Kanompia. Oh. Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang.
May una naman na kayo.
Okay lang.
Sorry, wala ko yung regalo.
Thank you!
Ipadala nang nabasa yung mong online.
Mura kay bao na kung ano eh.
Alam mo na kung bakit.
Hoy, padala na.
Ay, huwag kayo Sama ka soda.
Lagay mo. Sa soda pa.
Sir Ref.
Lagyan mo ng magnet.
Okay na tayo. Okay na. Okay na, Rick. Okay lang. Teacher Bon. Teacher Bon. Okay lang kami. Diba? Okay tayo. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Pera na lang daw sa inyo.
What? Sakan? Sakan na? Sakan? Oy, oy, last ride with Natoy. Last ride with Natoy. No kayeng. Go drive. Go drive. No kayeng, okay? Okay. Bye! Bye-bye. Bye-bye! Bye! Dati likod na car. Last. Alive! What? Amira's house. Uy! Uy! We go to Amira's house. Alive! Oh my! Jotong me! อดก่อนไปจอดก่อน we follow wow
อะไร teacher
we go to teacher Amira's house huh
อะไรจ๊ะเอา
ไปไหม
อะไร
ไปจะไปขี่รถผ่านบ้านหนูเฉยๆไม่งั้นก็แวะไปหาแม่หนูจะพาเขาไปบ้าง
เออ
เจ้าไปด้วยไหม
จะให้ไปเหรอ
ใช่
ไปก็ไปสิ เอารถไปไหน
เอารถไปจอดไปที่ปั๊มเซลล์ปั๊มเซลล์
โอ้โห
ออกไปทางบ้านบ้านออกมาใกล้ที่น่ะขี่รถตามผมก็ได้
เลย เอารถไปจอดไป
taking video
ไว้ไว้
sorry dai sorry na hello Teacher Amir is driving Sherlyn ko no Sherlyn and she was saying bye bye Miss American bye the car is full because of us sino ka dyan? Parang artista. Oy. Kainis. Kainis. Our apartment is so messy now because we keep nothings. Okay, take care. Bye. Bye.
ไม่ใช่นะเขาติดเตรียมโบไปกินเขา
Gerard ka pa! Prepare namin daddy para pa uli. 3 days left before culmination. 2 days left before culmination. 1 day left before culmination. Culmination day!